Can you say hi? Mary, can you say hi? Hi. Mary, what sound does an elephant make? What sound does an elephant make? What sound does an elephant make? Yeah, good job. Good job. How about what sound does a lion make? Roar. Good job. Yay. What does a duck say? Quack, quack. Good job. Quack, quack. How about, what does a kitty say? Meow. Good. That's cute. What does a puppy say? Good job. Do your puppies say that? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Can you blow a kiss? You're not gonna give any kisses. No kisses. You're just eating? Okay. Is it good? Oh, thank you. Do you want some more to eat? Eat? Can you say please? Can you say please? Marin? Can you say please? Please? Okay. Nice job. What nice manners. I know it. You can't reach the camera, can you? Bummer. Are you teasing Mama? Are you being silly?
What?
What? You would never.
No.
No.